If you've ever wanted to capture the night sky without dealing with complex setups, the Seestar S30 Pro Smart Telescope makes astrophotography feel surprisingly simple, even for beginners. Right away, this is not a traditional telescope. It's a fully automated smart telescope. Everything is built in: camera, mount, tracking system, and app control. You just power it on, connect your phone, pick an object, and it handles alignment, tracking, and image capture for you. The biggest highlight is the dual 4K camera system. It uses both a telephoto and wide-angle lens, allowing you to capture everything from deep sky objects like galaxies and nebulae to wide Milky Way shots with impressive clarity and low noise. What makes it truly beginner-friendly is the one-tap astrophotography. Features like auto-tracking, constellation recognition, and image stacking mean you can get clean, detailed space images without manual adjustments. In fact, it can access 80,000 plus celestial objects and automatically find and track them for you. Portability is another big win. Weighing around 1.65 kilograms, it's compact enough to carry anywhere, perfect for travel, rooftops, or quick backyard sessions. Plus, the built-in battery lasts around 6 hours, so you don't need external power. It also includes smart features like auto image stacking and noise reduction for clearer photos, Milky Way and star trail modes for creative shots, plan mode, where it captures images while you sleep, light pollution filters to improve results in cities. That said, it's not perfect. It's better for deep sky and wide field shots than detailed planetary viewing, which is a common limitation with compact smart telescopes. Overall, the Seestar S30 Pro is a game-changing, beginner-friendly smart telescope that removes the usual barriers of astrophotography, letting you capture stunning space images with just a tap. Click the link below for the best price.